Hello everyone. Okay, so welcome back to the series. We are talking about interview techniques and tips. And in course also I'm creating a lot of videos about interviews as you can see now. This particular video I made it for YouTube channel. So now today I'm going to talk about a very important tip which is given in almost all interview guidelines. Okay, and I don't think that is really relevant. And the guideline is your attitude is more important than your technical knowledge. That's not true. I'll tell you why. See, there was an era in the industry where employees were like staying in the company for a long time, like 5 years or 10 years or something like that. And then at that time, every employee have time to learn and then grasp the skill and then basically deliver, right? Uh, Today's era is little bit different. Like even in case of me, like I switch a lot of companies. So if you think about that, okay, you will be staying in that company probably for 2 years or not more than that. So even HR has an idea, even the guy who is recruiting you has an idea that your skills are useful right now, and if you're done with that skill, then you will, if they don't have further projects or you get a good opportunity outside, you're gonna go. So and everybody will be on the same page, like they understand what's going on in the market nowadays. So always remember that this attitude kind of thing was relevant like 5 or 10 years ago when we used to have like reliable employees, but today this particular attitude kind of game is not that relevant. So I can bear an employee who doesn't have a good attitude but he's technically good. So what I'm saying is, yeah, I'm not saying that you'll get a person, you should hire a person who is on negative attitude. That is also bad. But then attitude is not everything. Okay, so attitude is something that is 30% or even 20% of your game, but 80% of your entire interview is based on your resume and technical knowledge. That is absolutely important. So, but okay, I'll give you a small tip here. For freshers, when the technical knowledge is not that helpful, your attitude does matter, because for fresher every company is looking for their learning attitude, not like how they are what is attitude for leadership. We are not looking for leadership skills in freshers, we are looking for learning skills. Okay, learning attitude, team building or teamwork attitude. Again, about team building and teamwork, I'm gonna talk about it. Like today's era is not about teamwork, it's about individual contributor. We have another video for that. Today's topic is attitude is not everything. Okay, your technical knowledge does. So focus on your technical knowledge. Okay, make sure that you have a really bright skills there. Okay, so if you're focusing on Python or Java, web services, testing, or whichever technology you're going through, make sure that they are thorough. Of course attitude matters, I'm not denying that fact, but not that much. So 20% attitude matters, 80% your skills. Okay, and then last, of course, 5 to 10% or even 1 to 2% negotiations. Okay, every company needs good employee and they really don't negotiate for better skills. Okay, so we'll talk about negotiations in another like kind of, we have a series of that. Okay, we can actually create multiple videos for that, like how do we negotiate, when not to negotiate. Today I'm going to focus only on this, so please take that advice. Make sure you have a thorough technical knowledge, don't be dependent on attitude. Good with that? So we'll stop here and enjoy the video series. Thank you.